Hey, Boris Chargers, welcome to week 3 of Motivational Monday. I'm your host, Mr. Peace, and today I want to focus on what really matters. So you're probably asking yourself, Mr. Peace, why are you all dressed up? And for some of you that don't know, this is really how I used to dress for years. Before I started speaking full time, I actually worked in corporate America. And I had to dress up like this. I worked in the automotive industry. I helped with brake pads, the things that stop your cars and your vehicles, very, very important. And what I really remember and why I wanted to dress up to kind of recall that today is a particular time when I found out what really matters. And I remember one of my coworkers who asked me, do you know the names of the last 5 presidents of this company? And I said, no, I know our current president, but I guess that's it. And then they said, well, do you know the names of the last 5 people who had an impact on your life? And I said, yeah, of course I do. It's people like our parents and our grandparents, our brothers, our sisters, our aunts, our uncles, our relatives, our best friends, our coaches, our teachers, and the list goes on. So for today, when we're talking about what really matters, it's really who really matters to all of us, right? People that have had a huge impact on our life and on our heart that we always remember. So, here's what I want you to do. Once this video is done, I want you all to take a piece of paper and a pen, and I want you to write down the names of the last 5 people that have had just an awesome impact on your life, on your heart, that you really truly remember, that you love, that you care about, and I want you to write down their names, right? And then, after you do that, hopefully you can still do this today as well. I want you to call them. I want you to FaceTime them or Zoom them or send them a text message or send them an actual letter, through the mail. Do something to let them know how much you value them, how much you appreciate them, and how much they really mean to you. To help them see what really matters, that they really matter. And it's such a huge thing to think about because that's what life is all about. It's about these relationships that we form, our friendship, right? And those basic principles of what makes this world turn. It's the friendships, it's the bonds, it's people just like you that continue to not only have an impact on my heart, but that we continue to spread that positivity and that kindness and that joy by putting people first. So make sure you do that. Put people first, things always second, and just keep focusing on what really matters. See you all next week. Much love. Boris Chargers out.